Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete retweet post on Twitter. First, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the top left corner. From the side panel, tap on the profile. Select the retweeted post you want to delete. Now tap on the retweet icon. Then tap on the undo retweet option. And you will delete the retweet posts. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to delete retweet posts on Twitter. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.